Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of seeing this face, my name is Ruth Alfred and you're welcome to my vlog. So guys, you don't want to know what has happened to me. I made a very costly mistake. For the past 2 years, I graduated from Nnamdi University. There was a mistake in my name. My name wasn't correctly spelled. The Chamaka, they missed a letter A in the Chamaka. So I just found that last month and then I had to go back to school to rectify the whole issue. It's been so stressful. Like, don't mind my hair, I'm so stressed, but finally I'll give you guys the gist about it. But now I'm done, so I want to go for my skincare section. Bye. So guys, currently I'm leaving the admin block. I'm going down to Thames sites in Music Junction. I want to go for my facials because it's been a while. So guys, just stay tuned. I've not had anything to eat since morning. I'm stressed, but I'm just so happy that at the end of the day what I came for was successful. That's the most important of all. All right guys, just hold on and stay tuned. So guys, this is the place. Let's go and fire. Good afternoon. See my aesthetician. Obina.
My love. My love.
He's very good though. Very good. Very good. Obina. Welcome back guys. So I just got to the place and I've settled, and I said I was going to tell you guys what I went through, the process and everything, because I couldn't make videos. I wasn't in the right frame of mind to make any video. So I'm going to tell you guys what I went through, the mistake and the end result. First things first. Currently, I'm in Awka, Anambra State. Guys, I made a very big mistake. Like, I didn't even see it coming. I didn't know for the past 2 years, my statement of results, there was a mistake in my name. It wasn't spelled correctly. So I went to service with it. I served last year, but they didn't notice it. So I just found out last month that there's a mistake in my name. So I was told to come back to school and rectify the whole issue. So when I wanted to come back, it said there was strike. So finally they called off the strike. I decided to use the opportunity before I'll hear stories again. So I came down from Port Harcourt to Awka. Yeah, you don't want to know, things are very expensive. Like transport fare has doubled. The price is now something else. I paid 9,000 naira from Port Harcourt down to Awka. Something that I used to pay 3,500, 4,000 as of then. But now I wonder how it's going to be during the Xmas season. So that's by the way. So I rushed down to school today. I did the whole stuff today. When I got there, I didn't do any video or carry you guys along or vlog about it, because I wasn't, like, physically I wasn't even the one there, because I was just thinking of the whole stress I'm going to pass through trying to rectify it. And most times those people that they admit, they will stress you. Like, they don't want to know whether you're coming from, they will stress you. Me, I sharp pray before going. So when I got to school, I had a lady that I once helped me one time, so I called and I told her that I was coming. So when I got to school, I called her. She said she wasn't available, and I now headed down to the exams record to rectify the whole issue. When I got to the place, I tried to explain to them that I had a mistake in my name, in my statement of result. The lady was like, for the past 2 years, that means you're not serious. I was like, I know everybody, you guys might blame me, but no, I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know how I wasn't able to see the mistake. I don't know. So they said I should just wait and I should apply for my certificate. That if there is no mistake in my certificate, then I should just thank God. It's just for me to just take the certificate and then go. I said okay. I was just praying that there shouldn't be any mistake in my certificate, because I don't have the strength, to start going through the stress of trying to rectify your name, because they will stress you. They will stress you. They don't care. At the end of the day, I waited. I did all the necessary things I was supposed to do. But thank God, I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus. Thank God that there was no mistake and I was able to get my certificate. I was very happy when I found out that there was no mistake in my certificate. So that means I am done. Like, officially, I am done with my school, Nnamdi University. I'm now an alumni. After that, because of this stress, I already had plans that when I was coming to work, I was going to get my facials done. Because it's been a very long time I had my facials. Because I don't allow any other person to touch my face apart from Obina. Yes, he's very good. Like, I can I don't know, but I don't know the word to use to express. The guy is good, like he's born for it. Yes, he's very good. So since I had plans of coming to Awka to rectify the school stuff, I also decided to get my facials done. So right now, after the whole stress of Unity, I'm at Close Call Empire and I'm waiting for Obi Nat to come and get my facials done. Also, because it's been a very long time since I left Awka, I don't think I've had Awka. Awka is bambara nuts. In English language, bambara nuts is what they use in making the Awka. And it's very proteinous, it's very nice. So as I came down to Awka, I said there's no way I'll be in this Awka without having Awka. Thank God that as I was coming down to this place, I was able to get Awka. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Very nice. They make it with, after bringing the bambara nut. But this one is not beans for you. This one is bambara nut. After doing it, blending it, you start your mixing, you put red oil, you put your ingredients, all that thing you want to use. You can use leaf, you can use nylon, just like when you're making moi moi. So that's it. And then it's all ready to be served. So finally, I got to eat Awka because it's been a very long time. Also, I had an encounter with a bus driver while coming down to this place. I don't know, but I feel like people don't know how to talk. People should watch their limit when they are talking. Don't just open your mouth and the paper that is inside will just come out like that. So the guy said, so the bus driver was saying that I'm fat. I was looking at him like, I don't understand. Do you know the meaning of fat? I don't get it. They were just saying trash, but I didn't have time. I didn't even have the energy or the strength to start battering weight with him because it's not worth it at all. But I just feel like people should watch the way they talk to other people because you don't even know what the person is going through before you just open your mouth. I know this is the 3rd month I've been trying to watch my weight. I've been working on myself and I've calmed down. I'm going to share that process with you guys very soon. But people should just watch the way they talk to people. Seriously, it's not nice. So guys, just stay tuned. I'm going to put you through the process. Bye. So guys, after the facials, we're done with the extraction process. That's the most painful part of facials. Like, you have to extract all the blackheads out. It was really painful. Like, I was even begging himself that it's okay, but he just has to do his job. Anyways, I'm so glad I'm able to do these facials because it's been a long time, like since I'm in Port Harcourt and he's in Awka. So I used the opportunity as I came to Awka to get the facials done. So I'm still waiting for them. He said I should wait a bit. So they will soon come in to finish up the process, and then the baby girl will be lit and my face will be glowing. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm done with my facials, as you can see. Hope I'm glowing. I give it up to Obina. He's the best. He's the best and he's very good. He does massage, pedicure, manicure, different types of facials. Like if you're in Awka, wherever you are, and he's available to travel. So wherever you are and you need his services, please do come to Close Call Empire because he's the best. So guys, we've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. All right guys, bye. See you next time.